Definitely really good. Definitely could have been better though. Propel strawberry lemonade.
You're giving it an A?
Giving it an A. It's decent.
Sweet.
Next we've got Energizing Original Dew Kickstart. No added sugar. Make sure you get that in there. Got that? All right.
Ooh, yeah.
First smell, you know, kind of smells like Mountain Dew. Let's try it.
That's it. Definitely smells like Mountain Dew, that's true.
Do you have a bucket?
Safety?
No, yeah, that's definitely Mountain Dew. I didn't believe you guys at first, but yeah.
Safety.
Lane?
You good?
Yeah.
I think it tastes kind of like Diet Dew.
Okay. Get you a whiff. You'll definitely get the Mountain Dew smell.
Alright, no. What about, you want to try the strawberry lemonade?
That one's actually pretty good.
Oh, he's taking the top off, okay.
Like, I'll probably
Just low-key just tried to put Mountain Dew in the vending machines.
I was gonna get a bucket and spit it out.
What are your thoughts on that one? Good call. Good call. So, Energizing Original Dew. Not gonna lie, kind of tastes like Diet Mountain Dew to me.
Yeah, I was definitely thinking Diet Dew.
Definitely just Diet Mountain Dew. Gonna have to give this one a C minus.
Yeah, this one is pretty good though.
Moving on.
Hold on.
Yeah, good call. Good call. Good call. Moving on. This one's been in here for a while. Energizing Watermelon. Let me just pop this up real quick.
The classic.
Oh. Sorry, just ejaculated a little bit. It's called Energizing Watermelon. Definitely smells like a watermelon. Wow. Oh, and if you notice here, it's with coconut water.
Never saw that.
Which is kind of awkward because I'm actually allergic to coconuts.
Take this man to the hospital.
No! Fuck! Oh shit!
See, he's already at the hospital. He's fucked up. He's fucked up.
Bro,
His elbow's fucked up, bros. Case testing video gone bad.
gone sexual.
2016 nudity. Don't let your children watch.
Gone sexual.
Yeah, and over here we got the place where we play that one game. Oh. You hate me? Guess what, mother?
No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm kidding.
Yeah. I got my own energizing watermelon right here. About to pop it and kick back. See you guys in the next one.